Hello and welcome to Scale Model Maker. I'm Rob. Today we're going to be building Ebbro's fabulous Lotus 49 kit, driven by Jim Clark in the Dutch Grand Prix. This was a really great kit. There are a lot of really fine details and very small parts. Honestly, it was as difficult to build this kit as a 1/43rd scale, but I really enjoyed it and the model turned out great. For this build, I chose not to use an airbrush. Everything was out of the can. There are parts included in the kit to build different versions of the car. Also, there's some pieces in the kit that won't be used at all, so I just put them in my scrap bin. The rear trailing arms were very fragile and you need to take your time when installing them. It's tricky for sure, but they look great. Some of the chrome plating was a little heavy, and so I found that I had to scrape it off to make parts fit. Thanks for visiting Scale Model Maker. I appreciate your time. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and click like if you like this video. Have a great day.